Newly appointed Cabinet Minister Kishore Barman is assigned with departments by the Governor of Tripura on the advice of State Chief Minister, after 8 days of the oath-taking ceremony as Cabinet Minister. New Cabinet Minister Kishore Barman takes charge of Panchayat, Higher Education and Geopolitical departments. However, there is an allegation against the ruling party for taking 8 long days to assign the portfolio to the minister.
May I request the Honorable Governor, sir, to...
In a recent reshuffle of the Tripura State Cabinet, newly inducted Cabinet Minister Kishore Barman has been entrusted with 3 key portfolios: Panchayat, Higher Education and General Administration Political. The portfolio allocation was announced today by the Chief Minister's office. The alliance government of Triparty, IPFT, Tripura and BJP has been trying to fill the 12 cabinet ministers of Tripura. To complete the cabinet comprises another 2 cabinet ministers because earlier there was only 10 cabinet ministers in the state. MLA Rampada Jamatia and MLA Kishore Barman was nominated to fill these 2 vacant cabinet. However, MLA Kishore Barman was appointed as cabinet minister on the last 3rd July and the oath-taking ceremony was held at Raj Bhavan. But MLA Rampada Jamatia was not appointed as a cabinet minister. Sources indicates that MLA Rampada Jamatia will be appointed as cabinet minister in the next session. The portfolios of the newly appointed cabinet minister was supposed to be assigned after 1 or 2 days of the oath-taking ceremony. However, the department was held for some time because there was disagreement happening between the state and the central government over the distributions of departments, which is why it took 8 working days to assign the portfolios to Cabinet Minister Kishore Barman. Finally, on Friday, through a government notification, the newly appointed Cabinet Minister Kishore Barman is assigned with departments by the Governor of Tripura on the advice of the State Chief Minister. The departments of the minister with immediate effect is assigned to Panchayat, Higher Education and Geopolitical. With the latest reshuffle, the Tripura cabinet now comprises 11 cabinet ministers and 1 minister of state. Despite appointing cabinet minister to Kishore Barman, Brishaketu Debbarma was not appointed as cabinet minister and still remained half minister with no portfolios or power vested in him. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.